Hey guys, this is Kendall LeBron. So here we have Jonathan checking his emails as he usually does, but then he realizes that his fiance just broke up with him through email and blocked him everywhere. He's heartbroken, but then he remembered that his friend had sent him an MP3 file to listen to whenever he felt heartbroken, and they also suggested the app Twilight Player so that he can play it on there. The main reason why Jonathan's fiance broke up with him was because he didn't know how to use technology, but Jonathan was confident that he would be able to overcome this. Then Jonathan went to the website his friend shared and reviewed quickly what the app was about. And then he finally downloaded the app he was so sure that could give him the chance to listen to this potential new favorite song. So as you can see, Jonathan already downloaded the app and he is prompted to put in a username first. He's just going to put his name as the username. And then he needs to put a password with a 6-character minimum. Let's see. Ooh, as you can see, he messed up because his password actually was 5 characters. So that's a stronger password. And all right, so now we're inside the app. And here we can create playlists. So let's create a breakup playlist. So we can go through this heartbreak. Now let's pick a song. So we picked a song and we're about to download that song and send it to the playlist I made earlier, which is the breakup playlist. See, download complete. And there you go. You can like the song, go to it, and play it. Now, Jonathan is full of tears right now. I appreciate your attention to the video.
My name is Samuel Lassiter. Alright, for this portion of the video, we're going to be exploring how to add songs to playlists, and then we're also going to be exploring what the Firebase storage looks like, and the last thing we're going to explore is the like system for songs. So, to start off with the like system, you can see that this playlist has a song Tomorrow in it, which was unliked. We're now setting it to liked. You can come back, it's still liked. You can go into this playlist, it's liked. We can unlike it in this playlist, and it will be unliked in this playlist. Now next, for adding songs to a playlist, we're gonna make a playlist called You. It has no playlist or has no songs, and as you can see, we have 2 downloaded songs here, Tomorrow and Energy. And we don't have a song downloaded, Better Days. That is one song that is not yet downloaded. So we're gonna see what happens when we download the song. So the playlist You, we're gonna download the song Better Days, and it will actually start the download, and the download is complete. You can see the other 3 were already downloaded, but Better Days was not yet downloaded. So we can go to, and Better Days will be here, and then we can actually add it to R without having to download it because it's already on the system. So here it is, and next we're going to be exploring the Firebase bucket real quick. It's not a long thing. So we just have a Firebase storage bucket that has our songs in here, and then the songs are taken from the storage bucket and displayed here in this adapter. And that would be it for this portion of the video.
Hi, my name is Adam Palante. I'm a part of Twilight EX, and here's our music player app. So when we go over to the library, we have both of our playlists, and we can see that we have 2 buttons, Go To. I'm going to be going over the currently playing tab, and to get to the currently playing tab, we're going to have to first create a playlist. As you can see, I've already created 2 here, and we can add one more if we choose to. So I'm going to go ahead and go to our good music playlist, and we're going to press go to. We're going to press go to song, and we're going to hit Spirit Blossom. So when Spirit Blossom pops up, we're going to get a notification that the download starts, and the music's going to start playing. Okay, so our music's going to go ahead and pause after pressing the pause button, and we can skip songs, fast forward songs, and rewind songs. So this tab just shows us what the current song you're listening to is and shows the current timestamp of the song, as you can see here. Currently, we are using the EXO player, which is this top screen that you see here that will display the song that's playing, and if the song does have an album cover, it will show the album cover art in the top. So EXO player is not a part of Android Studio, but it's an open source project, which really makes the playing of the song a whole lot easier. So from the currently playing tab, we were able to pause, rewind, skip, fast forward, all that good stuff, as well as go into the previous song within the playlist. The current playing tab will also show us there it is, the settings tab, which you can see that we can speed up the song if we would choose to. You can go in fourth speed, half speed, and 75 speed, or just normal speed. The song name is actually displayed right here at the bottom. And every time you skip or rewind the song or go to the previous song, that will change. And at the very bottom, we have the library tab, the home tab, which we can get to from the currently playing tab, as you can see. So here, back to the library, and from currently playing, we can go home. There we go. And my team members will be talking more in depth about the homepage and library in the rest.
Is Jasmine Graham. Once our user goes to the library tab, they must press add to create a new playlist. Once they press add, a pop-up will appear asking them to enter a playlist name. Today our user will be creating a playlist for a Gamecock event. So we're going to say Gamecock event and add. Now, once the user enters a playlist name, the playlist will be added to the screen, and if the user has created other playlists before, then it will be added along with all the other playlists. Users then have the option to remove playlists and go to playlists. So we realize that we don't want to go to that Gamecock event, so we're going to remove. And we're going to go peek inside Gamecock Fest instead of removing it. And when you go inside, you see that's empty. So the user simply has to go to the library, take note of the playlist name, Gamecock Fest, and go back home and select its song. So we're going to select Energy, since this is a fest. Then we're going to add playlist and enter in Gamecock Fest. We're going to add it. Now, when we go back to library, it should be downloaded in Gamecock Fest. So we press go to, and then you see Energy. This is the song that we added on the home page. So once you are inside the playlist, you can like and unlike songs. You can remove songs, and then last but not least, you can go to songs.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Mims. I'm currently studying computer science and I'm a part of the team behind Twilight Player. I'm here to talk about some of the technologies that we utilize when building Twilight Player. First off, I wanted to mention that each team member has utilized Android Studio provided by Google. Android Studio allows us to quickly build Android applications such as Twilight Player. Past that, we also used the online service Firebase. Firebase allowed us to store our music online so that we could stream it. Without Firebase, Twilight Player's file size would be very large because all the songs would have to be stored on the app itself. Two more technologies we utilized that helped immensely for deploying an accurate tested application are the Makito framework and Espresso. Makito allows us to easily create unit tests and implement Android APIs into those tests. Finally, there's also Espresso. Espresso was very useful in creating user interface testing as it allowed us to create multiple tests of the user interface. These tests allowed us to test how a user would interact with Twilight Player. Thank you.